The rough economy is no secret to those looking for work, but some men in the Valley are making some big changes to more than just their resume to get that job. Nearly 11,000 students graduated from ASU last month. Most are now fresh faces on the job market. And as the national unemployment rate lingers around 9%, an interesting new trend has popped up in the past year. Statistics show more men are turning to cosmetic surgery, and some think it's to stay competitive on the job hunt. Valley plastic surgeon Dr. Daniel Shapiro agrees.
With the onslaught of recent layoffs and the competitive job market, I think that men feel that they are having to compete in a younger workforce.
Statistics from the American Society of Plastic Surgeons showed for men, several plastic surgeries are up quite a bit this year. Liposuction is up 7%, breast reduction up 6%, and eyelid surgery is up 4% since 2009.
And younger patients were more apt to see things like having their noses done or having their ears pierced back. And of course, both in men that are young or older, liposuction is a very common procedure.
Dr. Shapiro thinks the jump in multiple categories for men is no coincidence.
Men tend to want to get it all done at once, so they don't have to keep on coming back. I think it's a matter of convenience for them.
And while more men are going under the knife, Dr. Shapiro says they're actually more likely to be disappointed with the results compared to women. I'm Beverly Kidd, 3TV.